My social media friends, my social media brothers, I beg, make I advise una, make I just address una small. Not be every news when Italian people carry, una go come dey show for social media. Before una dey show those things on social media, una need to dey do una proper investigation, okay? I want tell una one logic where these white people, especially the Italian, Europeans, the logic where they use concerning Nigeria. Okay, we know Nigeria people, they're deaf, they know the hear word, they do different bad things. Yes, we know. But make I give una one simple fact. We not go fit run from our brothers and sisters, all because say that they do bad thing. So wetin make police they arrest Nigeria people? Now be this phone conversation. If you get one friend where they do bad thing, and you with that your friend, una come they communicate for phone every time, they talk different thing. So the day where they go arrest that your friend, that same day they go still come arrest the people where they communicate with them for phone. Even though say there be 50, they go come arrest all of them. Make I tell you now how police work till they work. Police they find people where they go arrest, not be one person. They find group of people where they go arrest, so that they go fit show them for television. They go increase their rank. So now work of police now be that one. So many Nigerian people they suffer for prison. Many na innocent. If you go interview them, they not go fit even talk what they do. They not go fit talk, they not fit explain. And for some people where they feel say courtesy. Yes, courtesy not good. But make I tell you now, no where we courtesy not there. No where we courtesy not there. So when somebody do bad thing, they go call they add many crime to waiting they do. Make that they do their investigation well. Because not be everybody where sell drug, they do prostitution. Not be everybody where they do prostitution, they do drug. Not be everybody where they do drug, be courteous. So anybody where just do any bad thing, they will just add different crime, join them, so that make the thief for go well. I beg, all these things so, they just dey use until they condemn our name, Nigeria. Crime na crime, nowhere crime not there. That's why they see police, they see all these forcemen, because they know say crime must there. So make it not be say man, everybody call they capitalize on Nigeria. Say man, in Nigeria they do this one, and Nigeria they do that one. I want give you one simple fact. Not be only Nigeria they do prostitute. For the city where me I there, many white people they do the prostitute as well. Police they pass them time to time. They know they drive them. They know they pursue them. And even police, even they make business with those people as well. I mean the white police, the white people. So now when they see you, black person, you they do the same thing. They go come arrest you. They go put you for newspaper, put television, go carry them, everything. Everybody go say man, you they do this kind of thing. But meanwhile, there are people, they do the same thing as well. I want to tell you now, how many times una don't see say white person they do drug, police go arrest them, arrest the friends, arrest the family. Wey be say man, they know they do drugs. Before they go arrest the person, they go do proper investigation. Because this world, this country where we dey so, for you to arrest somebody when you not do anything, it get as a pay. Because by the time you show innocent person for television or newspaper, you don't condemn that person image. Now be that one. But what if say later the person not go do waiting the right there? So the image where they don't destroy, so how waiting they want to do about them? So this now the suffer where we Nigerians they suffer for abroad. Many people they ready to do crime. Not be everybody like to do crime. But the problem where we get now, these people they are our friends, they are our brothers. Sometimes we play with them, we communicate with them. But when problem come, the thing go call robbers as well. So waiting social media people they talk now. We should stay away from our brothers. We're not supposed to go close to them. We're not supposed to play. we not supposed go close to them at all, because say man, then they do one or two things. But wetin I know be say, if you know say man, you know they do bad thing, you not supposed to they get problem. You know they do one, you know they do one. At least if they do the investigation, they go do one well. Not the day when you arrest somebody, that person still remain a suspect. Not go they write different thing for the person name, say he do am. What are at the end of everything, the person not called do am? Then you don't already condemn the name. So this not the problem where we dey face here. This not the problem where we dey face here. So if they arrest, make they know the particular person where they arrest, and they go do the investigation well before they go come say man they want begin, they condemn the person, they write different thing. Many people they don't get bad name already. But if you check the story well, they not do all these things. Who they do drug don't mean say narcotics. You know me say many they do prostitute or human trafficking. So when Nigeria do, they go pack all these names, they go pack and put for there. So these things not be waiting good. Then they use and say they give us bad name. So European make that they do their research well, make that they investigate well before they carry out any arrest. Because this thing not too much. It not too much. Not be everything where they happen, not be people do. They go picky go do something, they go arrest the mama, arrest the papa. Papa go do something, they go arrest the full family. Who does that? Who does that? All these problems, make they try to they put them in order. Because to distress somebody's name, it just be like you carry gun, shoot the person die. So many Nigerian people that they face the same thing. Somebody go fight, they injure each other, police arrest them. So what you go see there? Narcotics, if they do drug, if they do trafficking. So this three thing, now wait till they destroy our name. Before they do those things, make them investigate well. This country where we dey so, they not fit tell us say they don't know where they do those drugs. They know where they do and they know the people where they do them. How many times they don't badge on those people? Those people they are living. If they even go there, they go still come outside. They know they arrest their papa or their mama join. But when it comes to Nigeria, they'll destroy us, destroy our family, destroy everything we don't labor for. So these things not be waiting really good. It's not good. Sometimes they go just arrest the papa, arrest the mama, then collect the children from the person. So this is not good. It's not good. This is not human. It's inhuman. They should just address social media friends. My social media friends, my social media brothers. Need to they do na Italian people carry. They show those things on social media. Una need to they do na proper investigation. Okay? Yeah.